How to add tokens in TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Adding token helps you see and manage your assets inside the TokenPocket app. Sometimes tokens are hidden by default, so you just need to enable or add them. In order to do that, launch open your TokenPocket app on your device and make sure that you are inside your wallet. After selecting one of your wallets, go ahead and tap on the little plus icon right next to the magnifying glass icon, and then you can enter the token name in the top of the screen in the text box. And once you do that, from the search results, click on the plus icon right next to the token you want to add. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add the token in your asset list. You can also go ahead and find the tokens from the suggested list and simply tap the plus icon right next to them to add it in your asset list, and that's how you do it. Your added tokens are now visible inside the asset page. So that's how you easily add tokens in TokenPocket. So that is how you can easily add your tokens in TokenPocket the easiest way, choosing from the default list. You can also add custom tokens if you want. If you want to learn about that, comment down below in the comment box. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.